Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Chord Guitar. We have Childish Gambino here with the song called Lithonia. Alright, so this is a 5-chord song. We're gonna look at that, and it goes pretty much in the same way through the entire song. We have one main part and then a bridge part that, goes off a little bit but then comes back again. So we have pretty much one chord progression in this one, and we're gonna use a capo on the first fret to handle it, so we have the best, the easiest chords possible. So put that capo on the first, and let's take a look at the chords. And we're gonna start with the C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have E next, and that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, open E. We have F. So you place a bar on the first fret and you bar all strings there, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. We also got the F minor. So what you do there from the F, you just take away the second G, lift this off, and you get the F minor. Everything else is the same. And the final chord will be G, and that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Alright, so let's take a look at the strumming pattern. So we have a pattern that is divided into two different parts. So we need to split it, because we're going to split on chords later. So the first part, if you grab the C chord, since that is the first chord, the first part will be down, 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 up. Okay, so I like to play the first two downs on the bass strings, and then the rest on the mid higher string area. So down, 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 up. That's the first part. The second part will be up, down, down, up, down, up. So up, down, and then down, up, down, up. So if you put these two parts together, it will be down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. And there you have one full string round. So we're gonna look at the main part, which will be C, one full round, E, one full round, F, one full round, and then F minor, part 1, the down, 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 up, and then G, part 2, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so that is the main. Sometimes they just skip the F minor and play the F, 1, full round, plus part 1, and then immediately go to G. So there is sometimes no F minor in this main chord progression, but most of the times it is. So I'm gonna show you both rounds here. The first round with F1, F minor part 1 and G part 2, and the second round I will play just F, 1 full round plus part 1 built in there in the F, and then go to G. So 2 rounds will be like this. So slight difference there, but anyway, that is how we play the main part. Then about 2 minutes and 4 seconds into the song comes a bridge part. You're gonna continue the same strumming here. You will play F, 1 full round, G, 1 full round, then again you repeat that, F, 1 full round, and G, 1 full round. So F, G, 1 full round, and all these chords, and you play it for only this, F, G, and that's it. So it goes like this. And back to main. Alright guys, so that's song Lithonia. So I give it a try, a nice song to play on guitar. So hope it was good for you. It was educational, and if it helps, then yeah, leave me a comment or something good back. So thank you for support, guys. Until next time, play tuned.